Hello, today I will tell you something about the Divesoft Sidemount anatomy. The most important part of the rebreather is the breathing loop. We're going to start off with the hoses and with the ADV. The ADV here is a membrane ADV functioning much like your normal regulator. There's a membrane inside, and whenever there is negative pressure inside of the loop, diluent gets sprayed in. Here we have two MAVs, or manual additional valves. The black one is for diluent, the green one is for oxygen. Then you have a normal DSV. The DSV can be in the closed and open position. After that, you have the two connective S hoses. Each one is labeled according to which hole it goes in. Then you have the counterlung bag. This houses the two counterlungs, both the exhale and the inhale. Each of them has two ports on each side and a damp valve with a pulley. Then we get to the scrubbers. We have two versions. We have the shortened and the standard one. There's no difference in capacity, there's only a different build. This one is shorter in length than this one. This is only due to the metal parts on the bottom and the top. The Divesoft Liberty side mount comes with two 2-liter tanks that can be pressurized up to 200 bars. One for diluent, one for oxygen. This means that the side mount is self-contained and it doesn't need any offboard gases. We then have a handle which attaches to the scrubber tank and a head-up display. The head-up display is a standard head-up, as is with the CCR Liberty. This just has a longer cable which allows it to be attached to the mouthpiece of the side mount. This is the side mount rack. It comes in two variants, steel and titanium. They're no different, just the weight and the material. There are three important parts of the rack. The 2 manometers for oxygen, and the black one is for diluent. Then we are using the first stages are apex flights, and then on the underside we have the oxygen inlet connector. This is a rubber guard and it goes over the banjo on the head.
Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.